Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit dip with brown sugar, cream cheese, and whipped marshmallows. To get started, you'll want a microwave-safe dish, and then you're going to add 3 ounces of cream cheese, about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of whipped marshmallows. Now I'm just going to put this in the microwave for 15 seconds. Now I'm just going to stir everything together until it's well combined. Oh, it already smells so delicious. Once everything is mixed together, it is ready to serve with your favorite fruit for dipping. This is Mariko showing you how to make a fruit dip with brown sugar, cream cheese, and whipped marshmallow. Enjoy!